feels really good. I'm ready to see this thing on the track, killing it.
So, Ken, hold on. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. There's Ken. I almost forgot to do my intro. Holy shit, Ken. So, you just rode in Todd's Coyote Fox with the new ET Street radials.
Yep.
Verdict?
A lot better.
Okay, so the way the car feels as compared to your Roush 2017.
Dude, it's hard to say.
It is. It is.
For one, I drive that,
Right.
passenger in that. Two, that is, anybody that knows these cars right here feel so much rawer than
True.
these cars.
True.
So, I would love to get it on the track and get a run in.
That is the ultimate goal. We're gonna get Todd to get this thing out and see what it'll do, because it's definitely a beast. Like, what does your buttometer say, power-wise, speed-wise?
Power-wise, speed-wise, I'm gonna put it between 760, 740, around 92 mile an hour.
Yeah,
Let's see how right I am, guys.
we're going to. Swear to God, we're going
So
to.
if it runs 7.5 to 7.4 at 92, you gonna buy me lunch?
You got it, dude.
Oh,
Deal. All right, so parts clean. Ready to go back in the car. And the paint, actually, I guess the grease and the grime over the years protected it. So the paint is actually good on it, so we're not even gonna worry about that. But let's get back in here. And if you didn't catch part one, we got the transmission out of the car, which, you know, was kind of a job because the car has never been apart. But we got the old transmission over there, new one over here, and we're about to put this dude back together. Let her rip. Get her back going. Oh, and brand new rear main seal for the win. She's gonna be right. All right, guys, so success and progress. Old transmission is back in. Just gotta start hooking everything back up. Ken, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get a seal off.
Oh, okay.
I asked you to do, but you said you was already clean hands. So
I know. I gotta wash my hands every 5 minutes to do video
I got the new
updates.
one in my hand. I'm not
But
gonna get it all
hey,
dirty.
such is the life of videoing nasty car projects. So
I'm just playing with it.
I mean, it's okay, right?
Don't get hard.
I'm
I'm
okay.
just playing.
Okay. But yeah, guys, so things are moving along. Just got to start plugging everything back up. Everything is nice and clean, as you can see.
Oh, yeah.
New rear main seal in. And step one of the stock Fox body rebuild going along rather nicely. Hopefully this transmission's good to go. So, yeah, gotta get back to work. So,
I'll get it.
yeah. Actually take a quick break from saving the 93 LX because the 93 GT that we talked about in the last, well, a couple videos back from last week. So this is new car number one. This is a 93 GT, came out of Memphis. And yeah, it's a little rough, as you can see, but is a sunroof car. Was black interior car. It's sort of still there. But then, of course, you had some Nimrod that cut a hole in the hood for no apparent reason. But it's got some good parts on it. Not sure what we're going to do with it, but yeah. We actually had something come up where it's getting painted. And not only that, but the wild strawberry notch that you saw 2 uploads ago is donating its old 5.0 and 5-speed to this car. So, to everybody that commented and said we need to save the car, guess what? We're saving it. Dover, are we saving this car too?
Of course.
All right, so
I save all of them.
now everybody that was sending us hate mail saying we shouldn't part this car out, we need to save this car, it is actually on its way to paint. We're hooking it up now. It's probably gonna be a while, but again, the engine and transmission out of the wild strawberry notch are going in this car. It's gonna be good to go.
Looking lovely. Just hold it, Jack.
Just go straight up now.
About that
Shotgun.
All right, guys, and just like that, we've got the 93 dropped off. It's going to get painted. That car is going to be put back together, like I said. Dover, are we selling the 93 GT when it's done?
We sell all of it.
Yeah. So that car will be for sale. Here's the deal on it.
We're doing a Coyote one too.
That's right. Well, I've already covered that one, but
Okay.
this is going in the 93 GT that we just dropped off. Obviously, we're taking off this intake that does not belong on a 302. Stock motor will be put back together, and then, of course, the transmission right here, just T5, and that's all from the Strawberry 93. So all of that is going to go in the red 93 GT, which is at paint now. We just dropped it off, and it will be for sale. That one's going to be, you know, probably a little while too before it gets done, but gonna have some cars for sale too. So, you know, we are saving them. I know a lot of you people say save the car, save the car. Okay, so we're saving them, so cut me some slack, will you, please? All right, guys, so gonna have to wrap this one up. We did not get the 93 done. We got tied up doing some other stuff, so we will continue that one at a later date. But the transmission's already in. We just got to hook up the lines, put the exhaust back on, drive shaft, all that, and it'll be running, and we can move forward with that. Ken, how do you feel about that? Ken feels good about that. So that's what we're gonna do. Gonna have some cars for sale. We actually did get the control pack for Mr. Hankey. So Mr. Hankey will be running very soon. You may actually see that. Dover, are they gonna see Mr. Hankey running next time?
I hope so.
That's the goal.
I'm
We're gonna
ready.
get Mr. Hankey running.
We are weird ready.
There is a possibility my transmission will show up. I mean, we got a lot of stuff going on. And Ken's going fast in his car, so. In the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and
We'll see you next time.
yeah.